run a little bit hot tonight. I can barely see the road from the heat coming on. Reach down.
Well, good afternoon, everybody. I wasn't sure what I can talk about and stuff like that, because I mean, I have been responding to pretty much everybody's comments and questions. So that I just wanted to say thank you all to everybody for subscribing to my channel. I mean, I really appreciate it. I love the support. I love the comments, so do keep them coming. If you have any kind of questions, whatever, suggestions, do let me know, because I would be more than happy to discuss anything with you guys while I'm out riding, right? So we are, like I said, in Huntsville, Northern Ontario. That's probably around 3 hours north of Toronto region. A whole lot of nice side streets that we like to come up and hit as we're kind of riding through. So just about to get a bite to eat with our group, and yeah, and I've got, well, over 4,200, so over 4,000 kilometers on this bike, and that's pretty much it. It's the last month, and then once August comes, I will be posting it for sale. So yeah, any of you guys out in the Toronto region are looking for a fantastic deal on a awesome bike, I got the 2018 MT09, which will be soon going up for sale, with or without accessories. You guys get to choose as to what you want. So here, let's go over around this guy. Yeah, so that's a heads up, all right? So in 1 month's time, shoot me a message or a comment, and probably by then I should have a link onto probably Kijiji. I'll probably post it on Kijiji. Easiest way to do it. So we're just kind of riding, just kind of enjoying the time. I wish I could broadcast this live, and then I could get the feed on my phone, and then if I had questions, I'd be able to answer you. How cool would that be? Oh well, not to worry. We are pretty much done for the day. The ride itself, as per se, is over, so we're just kind of heading back. Holy hot. I cannot believe how hot it is as closer we're getting to Toronto, getting back home from up north in Huntsville. The sun here, I mean, hardly much cloud cover, but that sun is just beating. But the temperature itself, we're at 34 degrees in temperature, with humidex of feeling somewhere, what they said, around 41 Celsius. It is wholly hot. Like the air is not even refreshing. I got the thinnest little shirt on, and my I forgot to put a t-shirt on, so I got my undershirt on the underside of it, and even then it's just disgusting hot. We are currently 6:30, so you'd think it'd start cooling down a bit, but no, it ain't gonna happen anytime soon. And the closer we get to the city, the more that temperature gauge is going up, which really sucks. So, whew, hot. Need more ventilations in helmets. This is a Shark Squall that I'm using, and for the most part, it's okay. It's loud though. These Shark, I found the Shark helmets to be fairly loud. I'm not all that impressed by them. And I also have a Speed R2, and then I also have a Spartan Carbon. The Speed R2 has a horrible whistle if you're riding around with the visor up, like absolutely mind-busting whistle. Just something on the top of where, whatever it is, how it works, it just kind of kills you. And then the Spartan Carbon, which is the brand new series for, I think, did it just kind of get launched late last year and this year. I got that, and I haven't started riding with that one yet, due to the fact that I'll save that for when I get my new bike. Super light, equally noisy, a little bit more aerodynamic, so I don't know. I remember I used to have many years ago, like God, going over 25 years ago, I had the Shoei X9 helmet. That thing was like way outdated now, and it's super expired, but I did an airbrush on that from Air Design in Mascouche, Montreal, Quebec. And that guy's name is Alain, Mr. Alain Panaton. That's the, on it was the Roadrunner, finally being caught by a Wile E. Coyote. So Wile E. Coyote's kind of grasping onto my helmet, holding on like as if he's riding it, and in one hand he's got the head of the Roadrunner ripped off the body. So it's just like, yay man, finally caught him in real life, right? So it's totally cool. Anyways, I'll post a picture up on that so you can see, but that was by far my favorite helmet, just for the style and the look of it. It was awesome. So I miss that helmet. Other than that, I'm not sure which helmets are out there that are super comfortable or super quiet. You want to go? Go. I'll let you in. No? You don't want to go? Yes? No? No? Yes? No? Maybe not? Okay. Whatever. Then you no go. I go. You go. I go. So 492 kilometers today so far on my ride. And that wouldn't happen if it wasn't for my Shad seat. Again, a big shout out to Shad for their seats. By far the best seats I have ever used for any motorcycle riding. Like I said, I wouldn't be able to do it without it. But I do use anti-monkey butt chafing powder. Now you can probably find that at some of your local drugstores, right? And pharmacies, supermarkets, whatever. It's super important, guys. You really want to invest in some ear protection. Now I know you got those disposable, squeezable plugs there, kind of thing that you rub it and you shove it in. They're okay, but you know, after an hour, your ears start to get really irritated and it hurts. So take the money, take the extra couple of bucks, and go and invest. This makes it so worthwhile. I mean, I wear my earplugs in 12 hours at a time, so you want something that's super comfortable. And if you go and you get them done at a hearing aid place, so here in Canada, a shout out to Connect Hearing. So Connect Hearing, they custom build, or they specialize in hearing aids for all sorts of people and stuff like that. So they also build earplugs, specialty custom earplugs that have interchangeable decibel rating inserts. But the most important part about it is that they're super comfortable, and without that, oh my god, I wouldn't be able to do it. So anyways, as I'm on the highway here and we're picking up speeds again, might as well sign off because it's probably a bit noisy inside the helmet anyway. So I wanted to thank you all again for tagging along with me, and if you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, again, please let me know. Feel free to, you know, pass off my channel to anybody that you know and see if they, you know, would like to kind of join in. And, you know, again, like it, don't like it, doesn't matter. But do subscribe if you're the first time listening to this or any of my other videos. Peace out. Thank you very much. Love the support, guys. Bye.
Yeah.